So other YouTubers may be graceful and gorgeous and talented and millionaires, but have they been in an awkward family photos book? I'll take it where I can get it. Anyway, that is me and my sister on my little picture, and Santa looks about as thrilled as I am. I hope you are more thrilled to be with me today. My name's Chris. Welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, you're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's how everything got started. I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges doesn't mean that you have to give up what you know and love. And what this girl knows and loves is makeup. So today I want to do my Christmas kind of recommendations here. First of all, I want to apologize that I haven't posted a video since Saturday, and this is Wednesday. I'm going to post it like as soon as I'm done recording it. I generally don't talk about things going on in my personal life, but this will actually segue into kind of the first thing on my list of what I think, you know, would be good things to do this year for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. A friend of mine and I actually met working together at the hospital. She worked in the kitchen and I worked in CAT scan, and she had a stroke. And after that stroke, she lost her job. She's a single mother. She lost her job. And from that, I mean, it was like watching a house of cards fall down. And she, you know, lost her job. She lost her home. You know, lost her car. I mean, it was, and now she's fallen through the cracks. She's on disability, but I mean, that only pays roughly half of what your base income is. And she works a lot of overtime. They don't take that into consideration or anything like that. So, long story short, she is homeless. We are doing everything that we can to help her. She does have a roof over her head. She is safely in a hotel. But I have really been working double time to try to find housing help, you know, which has lists. I had no idea, you know, like there's a list. So what are you supposed to do until they get your name on the list? Anyway, that is why I haven't posted in a while. After I post this today, I'm actually going out and we are going to go stock her up with some groceries that we'll keep for a while and look for housing. But that comes to my number one. If you can give to charities. They really do help people, and people are in need all year, but especially around this time of year, you know, it's starting to get cold in a lot of places. If you could, you know, if you are able to donate, that I think is the most important thing to remember about Christmas instead of the consumerism. But of course, I have a desk full of consumerism right now, so I'm going to go over each thing, why I liked it, and why I think it would be a good Christmas gift, starting with the ABH Amrezy Highlighter. This is so beautiful. I am giving away 5 of these. You still have time to put in for the giveaway. I'm giving 5 Amrezy highlighters away and 5 Better Than Sex mascaras in the deluxe sample size. But this is it's so beautiful. And it looks good on so many skin tones. It's limited edition, so if you can get this for somebody, if $28 is in your budget and they love makeup, this is a great gift to give. Then we've got the little, speaking of the Better Than Sex mascara, this is the Too Faced Christmas Cracker, and it's 15 bucks. And it's super cute. You get your, you know, metallic liquid lipstick and you get your little mascara. This is adorable. This is a great gift for somebody who loves makeup. And another great gift for somebody who loves makeup is they actually make multitudes of these. This is the little purple tower. I don't know what it's called. But for $19, it's a $36 value. Benefit has these little gifts out, and they come in a bunch of different sets. This one's $19. You get your little Gimme Brow, your Professional Pore Primer, and then you get your Roller Lash Mascara Mini. And I thought these were adorable. You can get bigger ones, of course. I just thought that this one was a cute little one to give. So 19 bucks. I do think they go up to like $39, but check these out. They're really cute. I think I got this at Ulta, but I don't know if Sephora's got them too or not. Let's talk about eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, I have so many of these on here. I'm sorry. I love eyeshadow palettes. Let's start with the NARS Ignited palette. This just came out. It is just beautiful. This wasn't on my original list, but I was picking the makeup up that is going in the video, and I thought, you know what, this is just so pretty. So definitely think about this one. I believe it's $44. I didn't put it on my cheat sheet. I believe it's $44. And then we've got two from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have the Sultry palette, which is full of beautiful neutrals, kind of more safe colors, quote unquote. And then we have the Norvina palette, which is $42. And this gives you a little more color to play with. So here's the Norvina palette there. And then I kept this Sultry palette. I don't know why I kept it in its box. Let me get this out of here. Here's the Sultry palette. And all of my stuff, I mean, I actually use my stuff, so I know it's dirty. I'm sorry. So the Sultry palette is $45. The Norvina palette is $42. Now, if you know somebody who's just getting into makeup and your budget is around $50, the Urban Decay, there are two Urban Decay palettes here that I think would be great for somebody who, especially just starting out, because they have so many different colors in them, so many different finishes. They can really experiment on these. So the first one is the Urban Decay Elements palette, and this is $52. But, you know, just the colors and the different textures, people would have a lot of fun playing with this. And I feel the same about the Born to Run palette. The Born to Run palette is $49. And same thing. Look at all the, you know, different looks they can make. You know, experimenting with color. I think those are great. I would have loved to get those, like, as a teenager. So, I like those a lot. Some lippy products. We have got two kind of lip balm kits. The first one is from Fresh. This is the Destination Sugar set, and you get the little lip balms, the sugar lip balms. You get 3 of them. You can give all 3 to somebody, or you can split them apart. They're actually perforated here, and, you know, do like a stocking stuffer with each of them. And also the Tarte, for 20 bucks you get 4 of these little lip balms. And again, you can, you know, open them up, split them up, you know, give them to people. I think they're great. Other lip products, the MAC Little Lippies here. Now I have the neutral ones. I'm sorry I didn't keep the container for this, but they also have bright colors. These are $29.50 for the 4 here, and they are so cute. And they also have the lip glosses, which I got the neutrals of, because honestly I wear more of the neutrals. But they also have the brights here. They are so pretty. Now these are actually on sale for $22.13 at Ulta. So you can actually get them on sale right now. Another cute little thing here. Let me find my price tag on this one. Sorry. Okay, $12. You've got the Sexy Prime Time, where you get the Better Than Sex mascara, and you get the Peach primer, the mattifying primer. I love this primer. I think it's awesome. I personally got this, 1, to give away the Better Than Sex mascara, and 2, to get the Primed and Peachy primer for travel, because I really enjoy this primer a lot. Speaking of primers, Smashbox has this primer gift set. $22, you get a lot for your money. You get your primer water, your smooth and blur primer, and the primerizer. This is also a great way if you want to save some money and you like their products. It's a good time to get it. Anastasia Beverly Hills has a Ride or Die Brow Duo. Get this for yourself or get it for a gift. It's $25 and you get 2 full-size brow products from them. Amazing deal. Love this. I actually got this for myself. And I just reviewed this. This is the Morphe 8S Stellar Impact Highlighters. It's a highlighter palette and it is really cute. I think that this would be a great gift. It retails for $25, but you get 8 highlighters and I think they're really good, actually. There are those. Oh my gosh, my desk is covered. Too Faced put out 2 different kits here. You've got the Beauty Daydreamer kit. I did do reviews on these if you want to go back and look at it. The Daydreamer collection is $42. This one is sold at Ulta. So you get your palette, you get a lip gloss, and you get a mascara. And you also get a cute little bunny bag. The one that they sell at Sephora is called the Dream Queen. And this is your palette for Dream Queen. And you also get a mascara, a lip gloss, a 3-in-1 spray, and you get this cute little swan bag. So I did reviews on those if you want to go check those out. We cannot ignore face and body philosophy. This is No Angel. You can see I have used this quite a bit already. They have kits right now where you're going to save some money. If you don't know what to get somebody who likes beauty stuff, Philosophy is amazeballs. And we can't ignore Bath & Body Works. This is their new scent. It's called In the Stars. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Well, I should say one of their new scents. They do have quite a few, and then they have the normal holiday and then the regular sets. But they've been having a lot of sales lately, so look at that one. And oh my gosh, I think I went through everything. I didn't mean to go through everything so quickly. I just didn't want this to be like the super, super long video. So hopefully it helped. You still have time to put in for the giveaways. I am giving away 5 Amrezy highlighters and 5 Better Than Sex mascaras. I wish I could actually give away more of these highlighters. I really do. So many people want it. If I can, like, sneak out and get some more to give away, I will. But, you know, because I want to share. That's why I'm doing all these giveaways. I hit 100 subscribers, by the way, guys, and I was going to do a big giveaway for 100 subscribers, but it happened to coincide with this giveaway, so I will do another one, you know, like in January or beginning of February. So don't worry, we're still going to celebrate that, but I'm so excited that the makeup community is growing. All right, guys, that will do it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this short but sweet video, and I will talk to you guys down in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.